Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. Today we're going to talk about TPO versus spray polyurethane foam and which roof is ultimately better for your building. So just a quick explanation of each one. TPO is a single ply membrane, comes in 10, 12, or 20 foot, usually rolls, and they're white and they get chemically fastened, so someone will use like a heat gun to make the seams come together. Spray foam is a combination of two chemicals with a 1-to-1 ratio, an iso and a resin. Gets sprayed out and it comes to about 1.5 inches of thickness, or whichever R value you're seeking, and just another roofing system that's available out there. So that's that. First thing I want to talk about, cost. Which one is cheaper? Certainly that's something that everyone pays attention to. Cost for TPO is $350 to $750 per square foot, and typically foam is between $4 and $7 a square foot. Certainly there's lots of variables to determine the precise cost, but you can see they're pretty comparable when comparing the two. Next thing is R value. TPO doesn't have any R value at all, which is no good. Spray foam has an R value of 6.6 per square inch, and that's the highest of any roofing insulation out there. R value is important. It's basically the amount, how much heat or cool you let pass through an object. So the higher R value, the less heat or cool that'll escape, and that'll determine the energy cost for your building. Next thing is Tectum. Tectum is basically a roofing substrate on a school. The blog post is more geared towards a school, which Tectum is mostly used on because it's great for sound and insulation. And when you put TPO over it, you need to put plates and screws into it, which is no good because it creates penetrations that allow water to enter the building. And spray foam, it just gets sprayed on top of it. So certainly, you give the edge to spray foam there. Overall, I don't see really any too many negatives with the spray foam there. Besides, it's a new roofing material that a lot of people aren't familiar with. TPO, although it's newer, more people know about it. So if you want, educate yourself and learn about the pros and cons of each one. That's it for today. Just want to quickly go through the comparison of both. And if you can, go to the description and click on the blog post there to learn more. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.